If I were to close my eyes just now, I would have never suspected it came from a student. The quality, the professional sound of your voice was so matured, so adult-like. You can easily pass as a truly professional presenter.
Cool.
That's something that you have. So I don't know whether that was your natural voice or you actually developed that voice.
Gavel club training.
So no voice coach whatsoever.
No.
Amazing.
Sounds like voice coach.
Wow.
Then secondly, all the three objectives of this project, I must say you nailed them down. Number one, interesting technical paper. That was definitely interesting. Judging from the attention paid, judging from the Q&A after the speech, it was definitely interesting. And for me personally, it actually answered a few questions that I had for the longest time. Even real engineers could not give satisfactory answers.
What question?
Why circle was not used. Well, the circle part, I already had the answer. Why not a square? You answered it with a triangle. Brilliant. Number three, the objective number three was to use, the second one, to use the PowerPoint slide. Specifically, I don't know why Toastmasters gave a specific prescription, Microsoft PowerPoint. Why not WPS show? Microsoft must have contributed to Toastmasters International.
Yeah.
If they have-
Blood money. Blood money.
If they have not bought TI.
Blood money paid to TI.
Nonetheless, you use Microsoft PowerPoint brilliantly to actually help explain complex matters. Then objective number three, to use additional visual aid, which is specifically again flip chart. I don't know why flip chart, why not whiteboard. Nonetheless, you use the third tool required in the objective to explain or to answer additional questions. And we had additional questions inside the speech itself, the triangle versus the square. So you used developed all the answers and all the techniques to actually fulfill all the three requirements of this particular project. Congratulations. Now, going into the speech itself, the technicalities of it, the content, delivery. Voice-wise, I've mentioned it already. The way you projected your confidence, your technical expertise, and his comfort level talking about the matter, the subject was so amazing. Even though I couldn't tell whether that was a play or whether that was real, whether that was just a project. It was all blend in, and I take it as it was real. And somehow the rest of the audience played their roles as real as I could see. I mean, pretending that, oh yeah, my company, it was like, okay, interesting. And playing the role brilliantly compared to adults in real Toastmasters class who fail miserably playing their roles when in this kind of projects. Let me tell you that. Maybe because adults have forgotten how to play.
Right.
So that was brilliant. Mashing reality and role playing and I don't know what. But I thought it was real. I take it was real. Interesting. So at the end of the day, you actually did not waste the time given, and more importantly, you did not waste my time listening to your speech. It was informative, it was useful, it answered a long lost question that I had, and at the end of the day, I loved the entire concept and the entire solution because as an industrial engineer, I'm an industrial engineer by the way.
Yes, University of Texas.
Yeah, from New Mexico State University, that's why this bow tie. The primary thing about industrial engineering is productivity. And the primary thing about productivity is how to get more from less. And we get more from triangle with less space. Brilliant. Congratulations.